Here's how you can make butterbeer from Harry Potter. So there's no actual beer in butterbeer, and I guess because they're kids, I read that they use cream soda. In a blender, I'll add some cream soda, scoops of French vanilla ice cream, ice cubes, and butterscotch, which is the butter portion of this drink. And to make butterscotch, I just added brown sugar, butter, corn syrup, salt, and vanilla into a pan, got everything melted and up to a boil, and then I added cream and cooked this down until it got thick. I honestly don't remember this being pink. I think I got the wrong cream soda, well, the wrong color of cream soda, but I'm sure the flavor will be the same. Now we just gotta blend, add some whipped cream, and top it off with some more butterscotch, and that's pretty much it. So I never really got into the Harry Potter series, but this drink always looks so refreshing. I love that butterscotch flavor. I'm not a huge fan of cream soda. I honestly don't like this at all, but I don't really taste it as much in this, which is nice. I got the creaminess from the ice cream and the whipped cream. The butterscotch is solid. A bit too much whipped cream. I would give this 8.8 out of 10. Butterbeer is just a solid milkshake.